Had to get out of the house today. Time to go for a little stroll to go see my little buddies here. I got some seed for them. They're going to enjoy it, I think. As you can see, they're all waiting for me right here. I'm going to go over and have a seat first before I feed them anything. What do you think, guys? I know. Yes, I'm coming. You guys are big. I think they know I got food. What do you guys think? Eh? You guys all hungry? Eh? Patiently waiting anyway. Eh? Hang on. You're all quiet now. Eh? You're all quiet. That's good. Yes, you'll take it out of my hands, wouldn't you? Eh? You like taking it out of my hands, don't you? I got none left. No, I don't. Well, I got some more here, but I'll give it to you in a bit. Okay? Let's see here. Let's see if you'll take this little piece from me. You just want to keep eating out of my hand. This is my first time out walking in probably 4 days, 5 days. Haven't been out of the house much. It's nice to get out. Nice to get out to see my ducks. Although they're a little upset that I got no more food for them, I think. Sometimes it's nice to get out just for the smells, the sights, the sounds, and other times you actually reach out and touch and feel the branches. It adds to the experience. It helps you connect more, I find. Wonder, are those berries any good? I doubt it. Sometimes you can see the trout here. It's a few big ones. One took off when I was setting up my camera. He was close to a foot long. He had an issue last year with the cormorants coming around and eating all the fish. As you can see, the ducks are just up there. This is a common area for them to hang out as well. They come down here to hunt, get their fish. Also for safety, security, keeps the ducklings safe in all this tall grass. So yeah, I spent the last 4 or 5 days inside. My anxiety's been acting up a lot the last few months. And it seems to be getting worse and worse and worse each day. So I'm trying to find ways to get out of my head. And this is one of them. Come out, get out in nature and feed some ducks. The ducks enjoy seeing me and seeing their joy, although they don't have much of a facial expression, but seeing them get excited over the food and interact with me, it's great for the mind. It's great for your soul, I guess, in a sense, because it helps you feel that connection that you feel like you might have lost, or at least I felt like I lost. So yeah, getting out doing this helps bring it back. I always keep my eyes open around here. Last time I came, there was this huge rat going across there. He was, his body was about that size. Kind of creepy. Yeah, he ran along that little wall, that little rock wall you see there. Well, I'm finished my walk now. I'm just about home, as you can see. Houses over that way. My home is just over there somewhere. So anyway, I hope you got something out of this. I know this wasn't an exciting video or anything. It's just me going for a walk and clearing my head. And maybe it will encourage you to do the same. So get out, go for a stroll. It's good for you. Anyway, talk to you later.